It's been a while since I did a video on throwing. I'm just going to show you how I throw a pour over. So right now I'm just making the ball of clay as round as possible, and then try to center it as much as I can. Okay. Centering is always done on a high speed. So with the pour overs, you kind of want to start with a flat disc because you're going to be pulling away from that shape. So what you do is you go up about a ½ inch or 3/8 of an inch, and you start pressing into the body. You gotta use a lot of water because it requires a lot of lubrication. And when I'm about let's say about an inch in, is when I'm gonna start shaping the top. So now I'm gonna go in the center. I'm gonna try to go to the same level as the top of the disc. So I'm feeling with my right hand and pushing down with my left. So I want about the same level, and then I'm gonna pull out and create a little flat area inside. Okay, that's later where I'm gonna put the holes. So now what I'm gonna do is slow down just a little bit, maybe a little bit faster, and start shaping the rim. So the goal is to get a cone shape. Just to let you know, I've been using about 1.25 pounds of clay. So the different parts of the pour over are obviously the bottom flap area that sits on top of the cup. The part that you hold is the coffee or tea, the holes, and then later when I trim it, I have to trim a little rim on the bottom. Otherwise the water when you pour through will just go out the sides. That's something that I will do later. But right now what I'm doing is just moving clay, pushing in with my right hand and lifting it with my left, creating a cone shape. I'm going to slow it down a little because it's needs a little bit more control now. Pushing in again, then pulling up the clay. Trying to get a little bit more definition on the base here. And then coming back and cleaning up the piece. Later I'm gonna do some lines inside or create bulges so that the air can get behind the filter. That's how it is able to drain into the cup, and that will be done later. But for now I'm just gonna keep refining the shape and then take it off the wheel.